My name is Tommy Harper. This is my 1929 Fleet. It's a biplane that was a primary trainer back in 1929. And a lot of pilots for the Second World War were trained in this aircraft. And this exact airplane is the airplane that my father soloed in, which means he flew it by himself after 2 months of instruction at Burbank, California, which was then called Union Air Terminal. And he was 14 years old, and he flew this airplane by himself at 14 and became a student pilot. And he would ride his burro down to Burbank Airport from his home in Encino, California, in the San Fernando Valley. He would sweep out 4 hangars for 1 hour of flying instruction, because he didn't have a lot of money then. So he learned to fly, and by the time he was 19, the war started, and he had a lot of time, so they made him a flight instructor in Minden, Nevada. He went there and instructed air cadets for the Army Air Corps, which is before the Air Force, it was the Army Air Corps. At the end of the war, he went to work for United Airlines and became a pilot for them and flew for them from 1944 till 1977 when he retired. He met my mom there. She was a flight attendant in 1945. And I'm the only one that really enjoyed flying. The rest of my siblings didn't. I've always had a love for it. Growing up around airplanes with my father, I always had a passion. I always flew model airplanes and competed in model airplanes and gliders, and that's where a lot of my aeronautical knowledge came from, and also talking with my father and flying with him. So this is my passion of restoring this airplane. We'll talk more about the history of how I got it, but this is where we're at now, and I'm so happy to have Sean here doing all the final beautiful touches that's going to take it to the next level.
Adios.